Hello, family. I'm Marco again. Yeah, I know again. Welcome to your class, the head movement, the class number 14. 14. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, head movement is you need to understand the easy concept that when you can move your head. Okay, very important. It's but basically when I use my head is for put more focus in our movement. For example, if I dance my basic step facing to you, 1, 2, 3, okay, it's good. But if I put focus in my hips, look, 5, 6, 7, okay, you directly look in my hips, but this is what I want you to see, you know? Look, for example, I start to create my syncopated step. Okay, I'm facing normally, facing to you, and when I start syncopated, boom, pa, pa, on tap, okay? Only one moment. But when you put focus with your head, you improve, you create more power in your movement, okay? For example, I want to move your shoulder, cha, 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 okay? Cha, oh, cha, only one, not all the time, but in some moment it's so good, okay? For example, we start one basic, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, basic on the spot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5, and change again, okay? Okay. Oh, one more time with my arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 with the ladies, right? But this is the styling. You need to put focus and the tool that you use, okay? For example, if I use arms, I see my arms only in the beginning and then come back. I put attention in my arms and then I come back. The same with my hips, 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 and then I come back. When I start to lead, syncopated step, the same. Pa, 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 5, 6, 7 again, okay? This is the good concept. And then when you turn, for example, when you change the direction, you need to change the direction with your body, okay? It's difficult to let here, okay? You need to create the visual effect with your head, okay? For example, I'm gonna turn 1, 3, okay? Boom, I'm looking for you, okay? I don't want this. Okay, guys, other thing that you can use your head movement, look, is circle head movements, okay? You can start to play with 4 points, okay, start to move your head, okay? For example, number 1, right shoulder, number 2, forward, left, and back, right, down, left, and back, and come back, left, down, right, and back, circle, 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 circle. Okay. This. What happened now? You can play with this different direction. You can play with circle, with 4 down and up and right and left. You can play with these 3 different concepts, okay? You can do, for example, I want to do right and left or half circle. Look, I use right, and then I continue with one body movement, shock. Okay, I use this a lot when you turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, look. Okay, for this reason, it's important that you know the 4 points when you start the 4 points that you head movement. Okay, one more time, right, forward, left, back, right, forward, left, back. Let's say to the other side, back, left, right, forward, right. Now, circle, back, circle movement. That's it. Perfect. Now, right? Yes. Okay, when we use in our main style, the first thing is for improve some, for put more attention in some point in our body. For example, hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only in the beginning, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 of arms. And 5, 6 of basic. Chico, babe. Chaka, chaka, so. Okay? Not all the time. If you put attention or put your head in your feet all the time, your dance is changing. If you put your head all in the beginning, it's much better, okay? It's como sal y pimienta. Flavor. It's more flavor. Okay? Now, when I use circle movement, when I want to turn with head, for example, when I start to turn, sometimes I use half head movement, okay? Remember, I use this point, the beginning, okay? My right shoulder. Right, now, forward, the other point, and forward, okay? This is the concept. In 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? When I want to change the direction at the diagonal to diagonal, for example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, you can use this. You have other tools for put decoration. Remember, your upper part is only for decoration, but you can put this. Okay, and some detail when you number 4 and 5, or 8 and 1. You can do 1, 2, 4 and 5. 5, 6, 1, 2, 5. Or 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. También, it's much better if you put your number 1, head movement. Okay, put the focus. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, it's clear the concept? It's really easy, but guys, you need to practice. You need to practice before to add in your corporal movement. Okay, you need to practice by yourself, only head. Okay, then you can start to create the basic rules. Okay, I use one basic again, cuadrado basic. Okay, cuadrado with syncopating, for example, cha, 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 cha. Okay, I use my head, cha, 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 ah, cha, 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 ah, cha, cha, cha. Okay, this is good. This is a good thing. Okay, when I turn, for example, oh, cha, 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 wah, cha, 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 wah, 2, 3, cha, cha, ah. Okay, you need to dance with your head. It's different if you dance all the time. Cha, 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 bam. It's more beginner, because como block. You need to, when you want, you can use your head. Okay, I think it's clear the example. I think it's clear the concept. So let's go to play with the music, and let's go. Pa. Okay, basic. Vamos a trabajar. We're gonna work 4 points, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle.
Déjame analizar un minuto y pensar si yo te fallé. Solo no quisiera ni pensar que pagaste con traición, pero tengo que aceptar. Hey, cada noche me desvelo.
Okay.
Reciclando madrugadas.
Okay, I start with the basic.
Las ventanas tengo mil deseos, pero
2, 3, for example, okay, when I use cuadrado basic, pa. When I use my arm, syncopating.
Tengo que mirar que de una nave espacial.
Okay, I want to use weight.
Tengo que borrar todo lo que yo sentí.
Okay. For example, when you want to
I gave it to you. Ya ni quiero ni pensar que pagaste con traición. Hey, hey, hey. And you know that cada noche me
Number one.
desvelo, reciclando madrugadas. Si han cerrado las ventanas, tengo mil.
Okay, guys, head movement. See you in the next class.